In this video, 5 deadly things that are blocking the law of attraction. So psychologists say 95% of your life is subconscious. Sub means below conscious. So there's 5 things happening to you subconsciously that you're totally unaware of that are blocking you from getting what you want in your life. Now, when I actually discovered these 5 things, my entire life changed. I started attracting more money. I attracted my soulmate. I got in the best shape of my life. I was happier than ever. So more success, more financial progress, more happiness, and more love. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and here are the 5 things you don't know that are blocking the law of attraction. The first way the law of attraction is blocked is thinking without feeling. So the Secret movie popularized the idea that you get what you think about. And while that has truth to it, there's a lot deeper explanation that we now know due to modern neuroscience. It's thinking plus feeling equals manifestation. Thinking plus feeling. Because you can think about wanting more money. You can think about wanting to attract your soulmate. You can think about what you want, but if you don't feel like it's possible, you're not going to get it. If you feel broke and you think about money, you will get what you feel most deeply subconsciously, which is more financial lack. You can want your soulmate, but if you feel like you're unworthy of love, or there's no good guys left, or you can't find the right woman, you are going to attract more of that romantic lack into your life. So the key here is you are the one that controls how you feel. And when you think and feel in congruence, you get what you want. So that's what the idea of acting as if means, that you have to feel it. Feeling is the secret. Comment that down below. Feeling is the secret. Comment down below. Feeling is the secret. So that means you use your affirmations not just as a string of words, because then you're only in the thinking realm. They need to be in the thinking and the emotional realm. So that means your affirmation, instead of I'm attracting money, I want money, help me, that you feel it. I'm so grateful that large sums of money are coming into my life. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now that God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. Every day I'm getting richer, happier, healthier. Woo! I'm excited. You start doing that. You turn the radio in your car down and you talk to yourself with excitement, as if you've attracted the perfect job, got your dream house, got the new client, the money is here, your soulmate is here. You start communicating like that and you start to feel different. When you feel different, that's when you start to activate the law of attraction and the universe starts to give you what you want in your life. The next way that always blocks the law of attraction is that you push your desires into the future. And this is what most people do. I hope I get the money. I hope that I attract my ideal romantic relationship. I hope I get the job. I hope this works out and I get the sales. I hope this works out and I get the clients. I hope that I'm able to move to my dream city. I hope that I get better. I hope one day I'm happier. You're pushing what you want into the future. As long as you continue to push what you want into the future, you're continuing to cement your consciousness and your subconscious with the idea that you do not have what you want. Your subconscious is what controls the law of attraction because it controls 95% of your life. And so whatever you are telling your subconscious through your thoughts and your feelings, that programs into your subconscious mind, and then that controls your entire life. So if you're hoping, if you're wishing, if this works out, then that'd be nice. When I hopefully get this thing one day, what you're actually doing is saying, I do not have. I will be, is a declaration that I am not. So you have to reverse this into I am, not I will be. So comment down below, I am that I am. Comment down below, I am that I am. Start speaking your desires in the present tense with the statement I am. The third way that always blocks the law of attraction is resentment of how things have worked out. If you're still resenting the past, you haven't cleared the emotions or lessons or the karma that situation or past of your life presented to you. So you could be in a new business entirely, but your previous business with your business partner didn't work out. And then they went off and became successful. So you're in your new business, but you still resent the fact that the last one didn't work out. You're in a new relationship, or maybe you're looking for new romance, and you're on Bumble, and you're on Tinder, and you're on Match.com, and you're going on dates, and you're doing all these things, but deep down you still resent your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, your ex. You still resent your ex-boyfriend, your ex-girlfriend, your ex-husband, your ex-wife. And you're still mad about how it didn't work out, or they cheated on you, or you're just upset because you feel like they invalidated you and they left you. If you're still mad about it, even on a deep level, you haven't cleared the emotion of it, so you're still in scarcity. And as long as you resent things that happened in the past, as long as you're still frustrated by, or you're thinking, of the way things used to be, you're not present. And so you aren't in a vibration that has space for good things to come in your life. You're still in constricted, restricted energy, carrying the past with you. So you have to forgive. You have to let go. You have to trust that there's a divine plan to your life and that the universe is working on your behalf. You have to trust this divine energy. You have to trust the process of life, the intelligence of God. And you have to know that you're always provided for, that good things are on the way. And when you can send love to other people, when you can send love to old situations, instead of being mad, instead of being upset, frustrated, or depressed about it, when you can finally say, what was this here to teach me? Because life is happening actually not to you. It's happening for you. For your expansion, for your growth. It's not happening to break you. The reason it's occurring is so that it will shape you into the person that you're meant to be and the life you're meant to have. So comment down below, life is happening for me. Comment that down below, life is happening for me. Comment that down below, life is happening for me. Number 4. The fourth thing that always blocks the law of attraction is jealousy of people who have what you want. I can remember early in my career, many years ago, and I saw people that were more successful than me. As my career progressed and I had spent so much time, so much hard work, so much energy, I'd faced so much rejection. I got denied by every single publishing company when I wrote my first book. Everyone thought it was a bad idea. I lost my friends. I had put a lot of sweat and blood and tears into it, so to speak. And then I saw people that were more successful than me. And instead of going, woo, I could do that too, what I would do internally, I wouldn't voice it to them or anything, but I would, inside myself, I would criticize them. Oh, they stink at this, they're wrong like this, they're bad like this, and da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And all of my mental energy was consumed with why they were wrong, bad, or not deserving, and a lot of times why I was better than them. And I was really in an energy to my subconscious that that thing that I want is bad. Like, you're not going to be able to get more money if you see someone with a really nice car and then you judge them. Let's say you want just money for freedom and you're not into like materialistic things, but you see a really rich person that has a huge house, like way bigger of a house than you need, or they have like 3 really nice cars, and it's like, well, you should only have one, give your money to charity and blah, blah, blah. When you're in that energy of judging a person more successful than you, you're really saying to your subconscious that that success is bad. And your subconscious doesn't want you to be a bad person. It wants to protect your own worldview. So it is actually programming your subconscious to protect you from becoming a bad person. So your subconscious then tries to protect you from getting money, or tries to protect you from getting success, or it tries to protect you from relationships and romance, because it can't interpret what you mean. It takes what you say to it and the way that you react, it takes it literally. So when you are still judging your ex and their new romantic partner, what you're really saying is that romance is bad, they're a bad person, they're undeserving of love, and there's no one else out there for me. When you're mad that someone else got the sales or clients, or that they have more success than you, what you're really saying is that stuff is bad. And what you're actually doing is setting yourself up to block it from coming into your life, even though what's really happening is you're inspired by it, you really want it, but you don't have it. And instead of using that as motivation, you're actually trying to protect yourself from the feelings of despair that are associated with not having what you want. Instead, bless what you want. Bless the things that you want. Even if you don't want like all the details of somebody's life, you don't want a giant mansion, or you don't want their 3 sports cars, or you don't want to date that type of person, or you don't want that specific job or that success that they have. Everyone's on their own journey, you know. They're just figuring it out, just like you and I are. And when we can send them love and we can bless them for increased abundance and increased love and increased happiness and increased freedom, we open the door for it to come into our own lives. So comment down below, bless what you want. Comment down below, bless what you want. Comment down below, bless what you want. The 5th and final thing that always blocks the law of attraction is a crowded mind. So our minds are so crowded with thoughts. Psychologists say we have 65,000 thoughts in a day. Fortunately for you, 95% of them are subconscious. So you aren't like consumed with 65,000 thoughts in your head all day. That would be a giant crapshoot because it'd be so many thoughts. But we're so consumed with the voice in our head all the time. The voice in the head's like, oh, you forgot to close the window, and then you're gone, and you're like, well, what if it rains? And then you get all worried while you're over at the gym because you're worried if the window, like hypothetical situation. But the mind gets so wrapped up like that. And when it's wrapped up, it's not present. The more present you are in this moment, the more grateful you are to this moment, the more connected you are to the circumstances, the experiences, the tasks, the activities, and the people around you, the more connected, aware, and centered you are, the more the chi flows through you, the more the energy flows through you. So the more relaxed you, it's just like the universe likes an open cup, God likes an open cup, life likes an empty cup, because then it can fill your life. Then the energy can flow fluidly. So what I invite you to do is a simple process. Take a nice deep breath in and out with me. So my favorite breathing technique right now is simple rhythmic breaths. So I would breathe in for 4 or 5 seconds through my nose. 4 or 5 seconds. I'll count it in my head for the first few breaths until I get back into a rhythm of my breath. So I'll breathe in, and as soon as I get to the top of that inhale, I will immediately exhale in a balanced way. I won't hold my breath. A lot of times we'll breathe in and then we'll hold it, right? So we breathe in and then we'll hold it. but you want a rhythmic breath so your muscles and your nervous system and your mind can relax. If your muscles and nervous system relax, your mind is going to as well. So let's breathe in right now. As you see, I breathe in through my mouth for 4 seconds, and then I exhale through my mouth for 4 seconds rhythmically. As soon as I get to the bottom of my exhale, I breathe right back in. And I'll do this rhythmically. I don't do it aggressively. I do it very rhythmically. And so I invite you right now, while you're listening to this, to just be nice and rhythmic with your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. And then maybe go like this a little bit. Smile. As you keep breathing in and out, aware of your breath. Hear your breath. Can you actually hear it? And what's one thing you can be thankful for in this moment? What's one thing you can feel grateful for right now? What's one thing you can feel thankful for right now? Right now, I'm thankful if you're still watching this video. That's in this very second what I feel thankful for. I feel truly grateful if you spent the time to watch this for 10 minutes. I feel really grateful for the amazing people that watch this channel, support this channel. If that's you, thank you. And I hope that you take this breathing pattern out with you. So breathing in, breathing out. So what I intend and what I foresee for you is a nice rhythmic breath through the rest of this day as your mind relaxes. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. These are 5 things that always block the law of attraction. If you're still watching this video, make sure you hit the like button on the side right over there. Hit the good old like button right over there and say, I breathe in peace. Comment that down below. I breathe in peace. Comment down below, I breathe in peace. And if you are still here, right there down below is my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. You'll see it pinned to the comments right there down below. I created a success hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious and get rid of all the limiting beliefs and thought patterns. It's the easiest thing ever. You just got to listen to it for a couple minutes, and then you're going to watch all these amazing things come into your life. Over 700,000 people from all over the world have used it now, so every week I get the craziest, most awesome success stories, people sharing these amazing miracles that happen. It's totally free. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com, pinned to the comments. You just got to spend a couple minutes listening to it right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? It's right over there on the side. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time here, thank you. If you are returning, thank you as well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.